Okay, folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa and Owen. You haven't seen Owen for a bit.
Yeah.
And we got Roxy and we got Bandit. Bandit's a new star this time. And I'm almost out of treats. Roxy. Oh, so what we've got today is Owen and I and Ryan, who's on the camera, are going to figure out how to fly this Ruko drone. And I am not a droner. Owen is not a droner, but we're going to figure it out. We got instruction manuals and we got it charged in the battery, and we're going to give this Ruko drone some fun and figure out how to fly it. We're not going to go very high in the yard, and maybe tomorrow we'll take it to a park where we can actually, or to the beach where we can actually get some real flying in. Thing is, we can fly it up to 400 feet. It's got to stay within vision, and I've got it registered and I passed the test. So we are legal and ready to go. And that's it for right now. Okay, Barefoot Grandpa here and Owen behind the camera. We're kind of figuring this out. This is the third time up. It scares Roxy a lot, so she's inside. Here we go. Turned on, and now we go up. Turn it, sideways. Oh, that's pretty fun. Bandit's going nuts. Takes a little getting used to with the joystick, but it's pretty fun. Let's take our picture. I don't know how to take a picture. Damn it. Oh, it's all backwards. Okay, this is Barefoot Grandpa and Owen, and we're going to close out the first flying video of the Ruko drone. We flew it here in the yard, and then we flew it down in the junior high school lot, and it's really fun. We went 100 feet high and 100 feet in distance because that was beginner mode. Now we're ready to go past beginner mode. Really fun, shoots good photos, shoots good videos, and what do you think, Owen?
It's a pretty good drone.
Pretty good drone, huh? Oh, who was the best landing?
Me. at the junior high, I did the best landing.
Yeah.
Except you did the best landing, like in the middle right here.
I did the best landing here, but between Ryan and me and Owen nailed the landing from 100 feet in the
sky. I was the
sky.
only person who had the four wing parts on the piece of wood we were using to land it on.
Yep. So, thank you, Ruko. I'll turn it right side up so you can see Ruko. You probably can't see it from there. Oh, here comes the April. Ruko drone. And we'll be flying it some more and get some video of cool places. You've made us drone pilots. All right, thanks. Be good humans, take care of yourself, and enjoy the wild. See you later.